Shifting our focus, let's tell you about another story that we're tracking very closely. After 730 days, that's 2 years, when India Alliance members met to decide on their anti-BJP strategy, there was some hard talk, there were hugs as well. But the reality is far from the picture-perfect alliance. It is no longer a secret that this alliance of 25 parties is facing crisis like never before. Two of the key allies, that is DMK and the Aam Aadmi Party, they have parted ways with the bloc, both upset with the Congress leadership. But the alliance, which tries to project itself as a united front at the national level, is now locked in a bitter rivalry with the own ally in Kerala. The war of words between Rahul Gandhi and former Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is getting uglier by the minute. Responding to Rahul Gandhi's reported remark at the India Alliance meeting that he would not hug Vijayan due to their political rivalry in Kerala, the former Chief Minister has said that he was not concerned about who hugs whom, but that Rahul Gandhi's photograph hugging Modi are there for the world to see. So these are the reactions coming in from the former Kerala Chief Minister.
We have our fights. But if you're asking me to go and hug the ex-Chief Minister of Kerala, I cannot and I will not, because I have an ongoing political fight with him.
എനിക്ക് ആക്ഷേപമുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടല്ല, പക്ഷേ ഈ പറഞ്ഞത് മറ്റൊരു തരത്തിലുള്ള ചിത്രീകരണമാണ്. അത് രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ സംസാര രീതി തന്നെയാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി എങ്ങനെ ഇന്ത്യ വേദിയെ കാണുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
In fact, former Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan also criticized Rahul Gandhi, saying that his political approach does not strengthen the India bloc and often ends up helping the Bharatiya Janata Party. This allegation is not new. Remember, earlier former India bloc alliance member Aam Aadmi Party had also accused the Congress party of acting as the BJP's B team. In fact, CPIM General Secretary M.A. Baby has urged every constituents of the India bloc to introspect and engage in the self-criticism. The bigger question now is, are members of the India bloc grappling with the internal crisis, deep disagreement and the growing rebellion more busy attacking the Prime Minister than looking in the mirror themselves? So that is a big question that remains. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut, in fact, remember, recently called Prime Minister an agodi, a cruel person. The Bharatiya Janata Party had hit back, calling the remark insulting and also asserting that the Prime Minister comes from the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and not Aurangzeb. Listen in.
इतना अघोरी व्यक्ति देश में कभी पैदा नहीं राजनीति इतना क्रूर कभी नहीं पैदा इस देश में पंडित नेहरू इंदिरा गांधी लाल बहादुर शास्त्री नरसिंह राव राजीव गांधी बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर बाला साहेब ठाकरे ऐसे बड़े बड़े महान नेता इस देश में इस मिट्टी में जन्मे हैं ये कहां से पैदा हो गए जिस मिट्टी से औरंगजेब पैदा हुआ उसी मिट्टी से वो लोग आए हैं गुजरात में औरंगजेब का जन्म हुआ था ना